Hey everyone, Will Yard Sale Survivalist here. A little video about copper. A story came out in the Wall Street Journal a few days ago. That was pretty interesting about copper. I thought you should know about it. Starts out, says copper may start to look a little shinier to investors over the next few years. With the leadership transition complete in China, China's got a new president. The Chinese government will begin more copper-intensive infrastructure projects. This September, Beijing announced plans to increase infrastructure spending by $156 billion. Analysts all seem to agree that the government transition will lead to more railway and power grid spending. That's very good for copper because take high-speed rail for instance. High-speed rail uses 10 tons of copper per kilometer. That's a lot of copper. High-speed rail uses a lot because the trains don't have engines. The engines are all along the track. China accounts for 40% of global copper consumption. Copper is currently around $3.50 a pound, but Goldman Sachs thinks it could hit $4.08 in the next 6 months, and I see it just keeping rising after that. You know, my favorite way to save copper, the old copper cents. You know, go to the bank, get yourself some rolls of cents, and sort out the copper ones. Anything made before 1982. But I like it. I like saving the copper cents that way because you know, there's no risk involved, and if copper goes up to $4.08 a pound, that would make a copper cent worth close to 3 cents a pound. So you get them from the bank for a penny, and it's automatically worth 3 cents in metal. But if you have a lot of money to invest, I'm no expert. I don't like giving investment advice, but you know, saving copper cents is kind of slow. Even if you have a Rydell sorter, which sorts the cents automatically, like I do, you can look into. There's lots of different ways to play this. There's mining companies. There's stocks that follow the price of copper. There's material companies which should do well with this big infrastructure. I'm having trouble saying that word. Infrastructure spending that China is going to be doing. Also, equipment companies, unrelated to copper, but you know, China is looking to build 1,200 miles of road, and they're going to need some big equipment like you know, bulldozers, front end loaders, like Caterpillar, for instance, would be something to look at. So save your copper whatever way you can get it. Copper pipe, copper wiring, you know, everybody comes in contact with copper sooner or later. Stick it off to the side. Don't take it to the scrapyard. Think of it as a long-term investment. It's nice having an investment that you can hold in your hand. Of course, I'm not saying that copper is the only thing you should invest in, but I think definitely everybody should have a little copper around. So until next time, it's Will the Yard Sale Survivalist, and we'll talk again soon.